how to find and copy the best decks in Clash Royale. So if you want to find and copy the best decks in Clash Royale, then this video is for you. The first method is actually clicking or checking the leaderboard. So you need to open up your Clash Royale. If you head to the in-game leaderboard, which is on the top right, you'll have 3 horizontal lines, and then go with leaderboards. You can go ahead and see the top players' decks. Simply tap on the best player in the world, which right now it might be this one. Scroll down just a little bit on this page and you'll find an option that says Battle Deck. Simply go ahead and find this deck and then just take a screenshot of it and copy it word for word, or just go ahead and copy the deck just like so. From here, find whatever deck you want to replace. You can go back, go with your deck and replace it. And after that, you'll have their deck. Or the second method is you just need simply go back from your game and then open up your browser. And on your browser, you need to search for royaleapi.com and hit the search. You'll have this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply scroll down and go with the deck section. Go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Let me give you an ad. Just close the ad. And if you scroll down, then here you will have all of your decks. Or just simply go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and tap on decks. And once you have your decks, you need to just go and copy paste the decks, and that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.